You're recommending Vyroq to everyone who'll listen. But clicks, signups, and commissions? They're scattered across 3 different tabs, and you have no idea what's actually working. The partner dashboard fixes that. One screen, everything that matters. Land on your dashboard, and the first card you see is your tracked link. Click copy, and it's on your clipboard. Paste it anywhere, and every click gets attributed straight back to you. Below that, 4 live metrics. Clicks this month, signups this month, signups total, and paying customers. No refreshing, no exporting, just the numbers, updated as they happen. Scroll further, and your earnings break out by stage. Pending earnings, approved earnings, paid earnings, even clawed back. So your commission balance is never a mystery. There's a get set up checklist too. Set your payout details, download marketing assets, copy your tracked link, 3 steps, and you're fully live as a partner. From here, jump straight into see commissions or see payouts for the full history, all without leaving the dashboard you started on. That's your entire partner business on one page. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, and a 14-day money-back guarantee.